Good morning, students. Welcome back to your English class. Students, in the process of online teaching learning, we are doing the second chapter, that is The Tale of a Tale of your English reader book. We have done the reading of the chapter and its exercise up to B4. Now we are going to switch over B5. In this exercise, complete the following ladder. Ladder means you have to complete these sentences step by step. Swaminathan. Now, here we have to write the first scene of the story. So, what was there? Swaminathan entered the 5th grade classroom. Then what happened? He saw that the word tail was written on the blackboard. He got angry and slapped. Whom did he slap? Yes, he slapped P and Shankar. Then Mani and Somu took them where? He took them out of the class to a lonely spot. Instead of resolving means to find the solution. So instead of finding the solution or resolving the problem, they started fighting. They did not solve their problem. Instead, they started fighting with them. The headmaster came there, and then what happened? The headmaster picked them apart. So this was the ladder, or these are the sequences of these happenings. Now what is the next question, B6? Answer the following questions. So what is the first question? Do you think Shankar or P had written the word tail on the blackboard? Give a reason for your answer. Yes, in my point of view, I think Shankar or P had written the word tail on the blackboard, because when Swaminathan entered the classroom, P and Shankar ignored him. They did not look at him. P was unpacking his bag and Shankar started reading his book. It shows that they were guilty and they had written the word tail on the blackboard. Now, what is the next question? How did Swaminathan feel when he saw the word tail written on the blackboard? You might have remembered when Swaminathan saw the word tail written on the blackboard, he felt embarrassed. Yes. So what will you write here? When he saw the word tail written on the blackboard, he felt embarrassed. Now the next question is B7. Read the following extracts and answer the questions that follow. Now what is the extract? What is wrong with you, little rocks? Have you remembered when Mani took them out of the classroom, he asked P, Shankar and Swaminathan, what is wrong with you, little rocks? Now you might have understood who are rocks. Yes, P, Shankar and Swaminathan are rocks. Why are they fighting with each other? Yes, can you tell me why are they fighting with each other? The word tail was written on the blackboard, so they were fighting, or they are fighting with each other. Where is the fight going on? Firstly, the fight was going on in the classroom. When Swaminathan entered the room, he saw the word tail written on the blackboard and he got angry and he started fighting. So where is the fight going on? The fight is going on in the classroom. Now what is the next extract? And who dares to talk about Rajams here? Who spoke these words? Mani spoke these words. When he heard the name of Rajam, so he asked, who dares to talk about Rajam here? So who is Rajam? As I told you when we were reading the story, Mani and Rajam were sworn enemy and he didn't want to hear his name. So who is Rajam? Rajam is Mani's sworn enemy. Who talked about Rajam? Have you remembered who talked about Rajam? Yes, when Mani asked, what is wrong with you little rocks? Then Swaminathan said that P and Shankar, they always call Swaminathan the Rajam's tail. At that time, he talked about Rajam. So who talked about Rajam? Swaminathan talked about Rajam. Next question is, how are Mani and Rajam related? Mani and Rajam are sworn enemy. Yes, Mani and Rajam are sworn enemy. You have to remember one thing, or one thing you have to keep in mind when in question is given, you have to use only is in answer. If it is given are, you have to use are, and if it is was, were, you have to use the same helping verb in the answer also. Now the next exercise is B8 and it is life skill. So what is the question in this life skill? Do you think Swami was right in slapping P and Shankar? Had you be in his place, how would you have reacted? Okay, if you were in the place of Swaminathan, what would you do? How would you react it? Some options are given here. Would you have ignored the word tail written on the board? If you will ignore this thing, then it will motivate the students, those who had written the word tail. So it should not be the right option. The second is laughed along to avoid argument or fight. It cannot be happen. Now the next option is talked to your classmates and resolved the matter peacefully. And the next option is complain to your teacher. So what would you think? Which should be the right statement, or which should be the right answer? I think this third one should be the right answer. If I would be in his place or in Swaminathan's place, I would have talked to my classmates and resolved the matter peacefully, because fight cannot be the solution of any problem. We can solve the problem peacefully by talking to each other. Next question is B9, value based question. In Indian culture, the teacher or guru is considered next only to God. Do you approve of Somu and Mani's attitude towards their Tamil teacher? How should students behave with their teachers? What should be his answer in your point of view? In our Indian culture, we always consider the teacher next to God. We respect them. If this question is asked to me, my answer would be no. I do not approve Somu and Mani's attitude towards their Tamil teacher, because when their teacher was going to say something to them, they didn't listen to him and went out of the class. So I do not approve their attitude towards their Tamil teacher. And the next part of this question, How should students behave with their teachers? Students should behave respectfully with their teachers. They should respect them, they should behave properly, and they should listen to them. The next question is B10. Find out words from the passage which mean the same as the following. You may unjumble the words given in the aid box to help you. So what should you do first? First of all, you should unjumble these words. The first one word should be embarrassed. What is this word? Embarrassed. And the second word is pandemonium. Pandemonium. Next word, giggle. And the last word is fears. Now you can complete this question. To feel confused and ashamed. What is this word? To feel confused and ashamed. The word is embarrassed. What is this word? Embarrassed. A place of lawlessness. Lawlessness means where there is not any law. It means this is the situation of pandemonium. So what should be the word? Pandemonium. To laugh softly. Yes, this is very simple. Giggle. Violent and angry. Fears. What should be the word? Fears. So that's all for today. Now this is your homework time. So what is your homework? You have to complete B5 on the book and write the answers for B6, B7, B9 in your rough notebook. And B10 also you have to complete in the book. Thank you. Have a nice day.